Welcome to Nano11 and back to Python tutorial video series. In today's video I'll talk about how to use if elif else statement in Python programming. Before that, make sure to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified whenever new content is uploaded. For complete information along with the practical demo, please watch this video completely till the end. Let's get started. If elif else statement in Python programming. The if elif else statement is used in Python programming for decision making. The elif statement allows us to check multiple expressions for true and then executes a block of code when one of the conditions are evaluated to true. The elif keyword says if the previous conditions were not true, then try this condition. Like else, the elif statement is optional. However, unlike else, for which there can be at most one statement, there can be an arbitrary number of elif statements following an if. Let us try to understand the syntax for this if elif else statement. It starts with if expression 1 followed by set of statements, then elif followed by its expression 2 followed by a set of statements, then again elif followed by expression 3 with a set of statements, and it ends with verifying a else block of statements when all the above conditions are false. Also, the indentation is used to separate the blocks. Let us try to understand the flow diagram of if elif else statement. Basically, elif is the short form for else if statement. In this flow diagram, it starts with verifying the test expression for if condition. When the test expression for the if is true, it executes the body of if. And when the text expression is false, then the test expression for elif is checked. When the elif test expression is true, the body of elif is executed. And so on and forth, it continues to validate all the elif expressions, and whenever one of the test expression of elif is true, its body of elif gets executed. When all are false, the body of else will get executed and it ends the program. That is, if the condition for if is false, it checks the condition of the next elif block and so on. If all the conditions are false, then the body of else is executed. Only one block among the several if elif else blocks is executed according to the condition. The if block can have only one else block, but it can have multiple elif blocks. Here is the example code for the if elif else statement. Let us try to understand this code with the help of a practical demo. First, we need to open the PyCharm IDE. Then you need to right click on the project, select new, then Python file. You need to give your file name and hit enter button on the keyboard. For instance, I have given my file name as if elif else demo. Try to understand the example code for if elif else demo in this practical demo. For instance, I am writing a program to print the pass class based on the marks scored by the students. I'm starting my code. I'm taking a variable marks and I'm initializing it with a value as 90. Now I'm writing my if expression. If marks greater than 90, I'm asking to print the message as outstanding. Then I am printing the marks at the output. Now I am checking the next elif expression. I am writing the expression as marks greater than or equal to 70. Then I am printing the message as first class with distinction. Now I am printing the marks value at the output when this condition is true. I am writing one more elif block with the expression marks greater than or equal to 60. Here I am printing the message as class. I am printing the marks value at the output for this elif expression when it is true. When all the above elif expressions are false, Then I am writing my else block as print pass your exam without first class. I am printing the marks value at the output. Now ending the program with the final last message as goodbye. Let us try to understand this code here. Here, when the variable marks is greater than 90, we are printing the message as outstanding at the output. Also, if the marks is greater than or equal to 70, the message first class with distinction is printed at the output. If the marks is greater than or equal to 60, then the message first class is printed at the output. And in the else block, if the marks is below 60, the message pass your exam without first class is printed at the output. Finally, we are ending this program with printing the last message as goodbye. Let us see how it works when we execute this program. I am saving my program, save all, and I am running my code if Elif else demo. If you see here, we are getting the message as first class with a distinction 90 and goodbye. Because the variable marks is assigned a value 90, it comes under the expression under the first Elif block. Hence, it is printing the message as first class with a distinction. And then we are printing the marks value, which is 90, followed by the last message as goodbye. That's all for practical demo. These are some useful URL links related to Python. If you like my videos, make sure to share with your friends and family. Also, please make sure to visit and subscribe my channel. The channel link is provided in the description below. Stay tuned for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching my video. Happy learning. Have a good day.